Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a beat like this.
You say I'm missing it. You did what you did and now I'm on payback. So how you feel about it? Now you gotta deal with your decisions. I got a raise and catch. Pull up with my girls and the bands all back. How you feel about it? Now you wanna go and play the victim. I'll do anything to get you out my system.
Guys, without wasting time, let's get on to the video.
So we have the chords laid down over here, and the chords are in G minor 7, and then we have the G sharp major 7, then we go back to the G minor 7, then the G sharp major 7, and the F minor 7. Basically, it's a very simple chord line. Let me play it for you guys. As you can see, the chords are very basic, but there's a very glitchy effect that's happening with the chords over here, and I'm going to explain that to you. So basically, to achieve that sound, I used Shape a Box. It's the Plucky Pluck preset, and after that I used the Tape Mellify by Arturia, and I'm just using the default preset. It's called Analog Tape, and then I'm using Fruity Parametric EQ, just cutting off the lows a little bit. So now let's get on to the next sound that I use. After laying down the chords, I added a lead behind the chords just to add that feel a little bit. So I'm using another sound from Serum. Let me show you. It's called the UNRB Synth Analog Weight Lush, something like that. This is how the lead sound. So with the effects, I don't have that much with the lead because I really like the lead the way it sounds now. With the lead, I have this Tape Mellify again with the same preset, and then I have a Valhalla Vintage Verb, just adding that reverb. So next, after adding the lead, I added this ARP. It's from Serum as well. With this harp, I really liked the way it sounded again, so I didn't add any effects at all. It was just beautiful. It was just sounding beautiful. So again, from Serum, I'm using a bass that's called SMBRNB Bass Fang. Let me show you. Yeah, so it's called the SMBRNB Bass Fang, and this is the bass. Very simple. And with the effects, let me show you. I have this Pre V76 from Arturia just on the default settings. That's it. After the bass, I went to cymatics and I got a vocal chop and I pitched it to like 400 cents. This is how the vocal sounds. So yeah, that's how the vocal sounds. And for the verse part, I added some pads from Serum and I just copied the chords. That's it. So this is how it sounds. With the drums, I start off with a percussion loop from Cymatics. This is how it sounds. And after that, I added the kick. Let me just play that as well. For the snare, the percussion, and the shaker, I have this simple afro pattern. This is how it sounds. And then after that, I just added the clap. And I also added this hi-hats. For the accent drums, I have the sound and I have this riser. So that's it with the beat. And now I'm going to play the whole beat with the vocal a cappella on top of it, just to make sure, just to show you how it sounds. Let me just play it for you guys and enjoy.
You say I'm missing. You did what you did and now I'm on payback. So how you feel about that? Now you gotta deal with your decisions. I gotta answer.
I hope you enjoyed the video, learned something new from it, and I'll see you in the next video.